Please subscribe to my channel, like and share if you are not subscribed.
These paper fans are very easy to make and very attractive and eye-catching. This can be used in birthday parties, kitty parties and some festival backgrounds. So let's see how to make that. Materials required. We need a single color sheets, scissor, Fevicol, satin ribbon and a stapler. So let's see how to do that. Here I have taken 3 red sheets. You can use alternative colors or single color, but you require 3 sheets to make a circle. First, take one sheet. With the help of a scale, just do the marking and fold it. Once you have folded, turn the paper and fold it again. First mark the measurement and fold it very firmly. Now rotate the sheet and fold it exactly on the same line. Repeat it again and again on the same measurement until you reach the end of the sheet. Do it very slowly and neatly. The folding should be exactly equal and firm. Once we have reached till the end of the page, now we'll move on to the next sheet. Keep this paper aside and move on to the next sheet. Now let me take the second sheet and mark it with the scale as we did for the first one. Once you have marked the sheet, now start folding it in a zigzag manner. First fold it inward, remove the scale and fold it backward. Repeat it many times until you reach end of the sheet. Once completed, keep it aside and start with the third sheet. Follow the same procedure as we did for first and second. Now join all the 3 sheets together and staple it at the center. Draw diagonal lines on both sides of the paper for extra finishing. Now cut the marked diagonal line on both the sides. Let me fold the paper into half and cut along the diagonal line on the other side of the paper. Now staple at the center. Staple it firmly so that the paper doesn't come out. Once you have stapled in the center, just join two papers and staple it so that it looks in the shape of a flower or a fan. This is how it looks when it is completed. Now let me cut a circle with the contrast color and paste it in the center. This step is completely optional. You can even skip it. Decorate the smaller circle with some kundans or mirrors and make a small hole at one end of the paper and tie a satin so that you can hang it easily wherever required. Isn't it simple, children? So I hope you decorate your house for your birthday parties, kitty parties and festival with these beautiful paper fans. So please tell me or send me the pictures of how you made it. Until I meet next time with a new concept, take a good care of your health and bye for now.